allegiance. We are not here to submit to you. We are here as equal members of this House, Mr. President, Mr. Former President. You are now a private citizen.
Is Congressman Benny Abante, the chairman of the Committee on Human Rights. You are now recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair. Dahilan sa Tagalog po ang inyong opening remarks. Hayaan po niyo ko na mag-English naman. Sapagkat mayroong isang abogado dito, ininsulto ang isang member ng Quadcom na hindi raw marunong mag-English. Gusto ko pong sabihin sa abogadong yan na ako po ay marunong mag-English. Baka mas marunong pa ako sa kanya mag-English. Ito po ang opening remarks ko sa ating Senior Deputy Speaker,